All right. Cute cat moment first. And she's not my cat. There's a big pink line going down, like right here. And we're finishing half of my Eiffel Tower Lego set. This is what it's gonna look like here. This is how much we've got done here, up to here. And then after, we got all that to go. 10,001 pieces. She keeps wanting to see, so she's gonna see herself in the video and we both watch it together. Oh, sorry. I need to see the putting on. Okay. Move. Look at
here so I can pet you. Please, Ricky. Ricky.
It's not Ricky. It's ice cream.
That's her real name. Ricky is her real name. Ready?
Okay, done smelling it.
Lego is bad for you.
Okay. How is Lego bad for you? Oh my god, it's like the warp filter with the pink line. Oh. We still have to add bits like here. So that is gonna go on there. Should I pause the video until we... Oh, not even pause? Okay. We just finished it and he is putting it on. Hatchie. Oh.
Hello, my name is Hatchie.
Stop. Focus. Oh my god, I can't watch. I can watch from camera because it doesn't. Loopy!
I swear to God.
In real life, this is gonna look so big. Look at this head. It's done. I'll move. Oh my. Oh my god. This looks unreal. Oh my god, in real life it's gigantic.
What in the world is that?
The Eiffel Tower. Wait, open up your mouth. Open up your mouth. Stop moving. You're making it out of focus.
Do I have camera teeth?
Wait, so is it done? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! I've barely seen it in real life. My hand for comparison. Look. Look at my hand. I bet when it's like this high, it's going to be way taller than me, even at ground level. Oh my. I literally just saw it in real life. It's gigantic.
Just far from my phone.
For the video. Wait, the pink line is not pink. It's like a tiny green strand. But you can barely see it. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna look at it in real life. Daddy, you hold the phone. 3, 2, 1. ground level, it's literally half the. Even when we get that other part on, it's gonna be as big as you. This. Boy, can I have it for a second? Like, I'm gonna try recreate this image here, but it's not done. Wait, top view, it does. From the top, it looks kind of cool. And from the bottom, 3, 2, 1. Hopefully you can see that. I think that's the end. Oh, if you haven't seen my video, yes, I have the Titanic Lego set.
No.
The pink line just appeared. Like, the edge of the Titanic is where the pink line is. There. Just, guys, this looks too awesome for me.